action.
Oh, I can't wait to start this dumpster fire of a video. Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Isha and this is my channel. I'll show you tips and tricks on how to live a more compassionate life for the earth, the animals, and yourself. And so today I'm doing just like another mess of a video. I'm doing my best. And today I have Rachel from LADLE.
I was there the whole time.
Rachel also really loves Harry Potter and you're literally the only person I know who likes Harry Potter.
What?
Seriously.
You need better friends.
I know, right?
Just kidding, your friends are great, but you
friends. But anyways, I thought it'd be really fun to like film a collab just because I like to force people to hang out with me, and this is the only way I know how to make friends as an adult. So we're just gonna try to make some Harry Potter themed stuff, and we're gonna also film like a Q&A on Rachel's channel, so
yeah, check that out.
we also don't have a recipe because we're content recipe creators.
No!
We planned this 30 minutes ago. Not even.
Should we put these in the fridge? Like 2 minutes?
Are they warm? Excellent. Put them in the freezer.
Is there a candle in here? Do you have a candle in your freezer?
Okay, so we couldn't find butter extract.
I also could have been looking in the wrong area, but you think it would be where the vanilla is.
Honestly, I think this is more fun. We're taking this coconut milk. I heard that there's like a fatty layer. Yes, perfect. And you're supposed to scoop it up.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, I think we're supposed to freeze it first, but like...
Oh, well, we didn't plan this.
I mean, that's not my aesthetic.
What exactly we're doing?
I don't even know.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
It all makes sense.
She's thick, like on the top. I get it. I think if you try hard and you believe in yourself, anything is possible. So you're just gonna press that button and like pulse it. Is anything happening?
You know what we should do? Literally, so much more liquidy than it was before.
It's literally just more milk now.
We should just put it in the fridge.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Don't you think then it would like firm up?
Yeah, totally.
I get all my meals takeout. I don't cook.
I think this is good.
And then we could just like you know how like you can like layer drinks?
Yeah.
We could just layer it on the top.
It would be like an iced coffee.
Yeah.
Like with the swirls.
Like we're doing, yeah, exactly.
I think that's fine. We have this coconut butter.
I feel like that. I don't know how much to put in.
I mean, like, honestly, go for it.
I wonder what it tastes like. Oh!
It's not that bad,
pretty good,
right?
Yeah.
It's like,
I'll buy that.
It's like what people who do like Whole Foods plant-based, like if you're baking, they'll use this, and obviously I haven't used it.
Instead of what?
Instead of butter. I obviously have used so much of it.
I'll put that in like oatmeal. That seems like the most obvious thing to do with that.
I would
But
watch you put it in
really
oatmeal. Oh, you don't like oatmeal either?
No, I love oatmeal. I said I know you don't like oatmeal.
I put about a tablespoon of sugar, and then we put about 2 tablespoons of just straight up butter.
Eventually.
I think it got thicker, but I think that's just me being optimistic.
Yeah!
It got a little thicker.
It's like super gross.
Oh my god.
That's pretty good.
That's good. Wow, we're amazing. Let's put it in the freezer.
Pumpkin?
Yeah, let's just do that. I don't think we can handle
Yeah, that's
anymore.
probably very fair.
Yeah.
Honestly. So basically it's just pumpkin. Mario, my boyfriend, he was like, you have to bring me home some butterbeer if it's good.
Sorry.
And I'm just now remembering that and I was like, oh.
And then I have this pumpkin pie spice.
Oh, yeah, throw
and
that
it's
in.
already like measured out. It's from Frontier Co-op. That looks like a lot. Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, it smells really good.
People are going to unsubscribe. It's fine.
No, they're gonna be like,
are you guys
wow,
excited?
How
now?
hashtag relatable are these girls?
Just like go for it.
You want me to just dump it in?
Yeah, put as much as you want. We've already
Such
made
a
the
bad idea. These are gonna be either like not sweet enough and they're gonna be so gross, or they're gonna be like way too sweet.
No, they're gonna be excellent.
Okay. That's all I needed.
Have faith.
Use your
you never like cook stuff on the fly though, right? You do like more recipes?
I either get takeout or I follow a recipe.
Yep. Oh, okay.
Those are the
This
two
is
things.
now I understand. I understand.
Here we go. Tell me when that's just like way
There's
too much.
literally only 3 grains.
Um,
You're doing great. You're branching
Thanks,
out.
Mom.
You're soaring, flying.
there's not a star in heaven.
I was
that can-
literally about to say that. You want to mix that real good?
Yeah. Okay.
And we can lay out something or another.
What kind of like content should we add to this besides us just like not doing anything properly?
All right.
Which is good content.
So what do you love about the Harry Potter books?
Oh my god.
Like,
you can really get me going good with that one. You know what pisses me off more than anything else?
oh, probably the same thing as me.
When people don't read the books and they watch the movies and they're like, I love Harry Potter. And I'm like, you don't even know Harry Potter.
Okay, the movies are garbage. I mean, they're fine. Like, they're cute.
I think that like the first, like Christopher Columbus's movies, the first two, they have good nostalgia, childhood vibes.
That's what I like about them. But they like leave out chunks of like the plot.
Yeah, well that's the whole thing with movies, which is why they're never going to be as good as the book. Like, they can't do it. They can't do it.
So I just took these out of her bag. These are the Pepperidge Farm Puff Pastry Shells.
Vegan, accidentally.
How are this? I don't think this is gonna work.
What are you supposed to do with them?
Several bad puns later.
Oh, hi. So we just did like my really quick biscuit recipe. I'll link it down below. I used it for like my lentil pies and a bunch of other recipes that I've had. So it's tried and true, easy, takes like 5 minutes to whip up. So we're just gonna cut little holes in this and like try to pretend it's good. Now we're taking the discs and we're flattening.
Like, I don't want to do that.
Putting some of this in here. Is this good?
Is that how much? Yeah, it's pretty good.
Looks like a lot. Oh, it is good. So, Rachel, do you want to tell them what you did?
Over on my channel, have you gone over there yet? I do vegan Tegan, which that's not how you say her last name.
I know it's Tegan, right?
Tegan. But I didn't know that when I started the series. So it's named Vegan Tegan, but it's Chrissy Teigen's, which just sounds wrong to me.
These look bad.
Yeah, I just like basically veganized recipes out of her cookbook because I was bored one day and decided to do that because I have her cookbook. Did one from her brand new cookbook, which is I think why I got the shout out because it just got published, so she's really like trying to promote it. And her cookbook's super friendly towards that. Like her first cookbook is not. Everything was like cheese,
yeah, it was
ham,
so much
milk,
meat,
butter.
easy.
Super vegetarian yet. Like honestly, almost no. I made it like a soup recipe, which is the one that she retweeted. Yeah, so she retweeted me. And
where were you when you found this out? Like what happened?
I was at work and I got 3 things happen like simultaneously. I saw the notification. It's like Twitter said Chrissy Teigen has retweeted you, but I thought it was like a fake Chrissy Teigen.
Oh yeah.
Because I just tweeted out my video like, oh, new video, and I was like, oh, someone like a fake like fan account just retweeted me. That's cute. At the same time, my friend called me, and I was like, why would my friend call me at like 10 a.m. on a Wednesday? And my coworker ran into my room. And he was like, oh,
I'm getting like
have you been on Twitter? So these 3 things happened at the exact same time. So I like answered the phone and I was like, hello? My friend was like, are you on Twitter? Get on Twitter right now. So I went on Twitter and I saw it was real. And my coworker's like standing there in front of me while I'm on the phone and he's holding out his phone and it's the same thing. And I was just like, what? It was very exciting. Yeah, I almost quit my job. No, I'm just kidding.
You're like, bye. I'm a YouTuber now.
My boss, because my coworker was like screaming it, and no one at work knows that I do YouTube. Yeah. So I was like,
I know it's hard because like who you are on the internet.
Totally
and who
different.
You are like,
well, actually,
every day. Like, you're like the same person, but like people don't know that side of you.
Yeah, exactly. At work, I'm very much just like, okay, get work done. And then on the camera, I'm just like, it's a bunch of swear words and a lot of sweating and a lot of just being like, ah, you know?
Here, I made you another flaccid piece. Let's show them like what they look like.
I'm gonna poke more holes in this one because it's like gonna explode.
I mean,
they're cute. We should have just like made them into weird shapes. Like intentionally, not
I was about to say, I was like, nailed it. I love your videos. I'm always like trying to shout you out wherever. We'll I've also been recipes below, but like don't do it like don't do these. Measure it. It's like that's what you.
That's what I should have done.
Let's make our drinks. Ooh. This one got frozen and this one didn't.
Yeah.
I have fragile hands.
I have weak bones.
I've been vegan for 4 years. Oh, they're both iced. When did they both turn into ice?
This kind of became like a little slushy. Look at the top of that.
Wow.
Wait, we're making floats, right? So like just fill them half.
Yeah. Leave a little room for cream.
This is like half slushy.
If you guys want to see, I'm a beauty YouTuber. I bought these at Home Goods.
Have you been to Harry Potter World in Florida?
No. All I want to do is go there. And as I was telling you, no one I know likes it. We should go, the 2 of us, and just do like a vegan extravaganza.
There's actually a lot that you can do there vegan-wise. I will say that butterbeer in the parks is not vegan. But did you hear there's this huge campaign right now to make
I saw that.
Okay, it's kind of thick. Yeah, that's try it. It's really
Okay,
buttery.
these pastas aren't my prescription anymore. I have to take them off. Trying to give you guys Harry Potter vibes.
But also like don't go blind.
Ew.
Yeah. It was better before we froze it.
What does it even taste like?
It's
the
like-
viewers at home.
It tastes like coconut oil. That's what it tastes like to me. Not that I've like had straight coconut oil.
I'm gonna do it
There was
anyway.
too much butter.
I'm gonna put some in it.
You're gonna put it in?
I'm gonna put it in. I don't know. I feel like I just need to get the shot and like with my life. This is what Jessie sees behind the camera when I make videos.
I mean, you do it, and then if it's good, I'll do it.
So I'm gonna put a little drippity drop.
Oh my god, that looks so gross.
Like-
Oh my god, I can't even look at
That's
it.
fine.
Oh, it got chunky.
Yum.
Oh, but it made it a more appropriate color.
Guys,
That looks like the butterbeer.
I did it. Ooh, honey.
Okay, first of all, wait a minute. Did we just figure this out?
This one is?
I forgot we had things in the oven. Oh wow, look at them.
I think they're cute.
Oh, they're so cute.
They're pretty cutie.
Okay, I feel like that one's cute.
Okay.
That one's cute.
Cute.
That one's cute in its own little way.
Well, I hope that was entertaining for you guys. We put like real recipes down below so you guys can like it. Check out Rachel's channel. She has a lot of fun stuff.
We're about to eat all this stuff on my channel.
Yes, and we're gonna
So-
do some Q&A stuff.
Let's just do it. All right.
I love the top of it. I still like it. So good.
It's enough cream soda that I'm okay with it.
yeah, like I'm fine.
Honestly,
It doesn't even taste bad.
yeah, that tastes pretty good.
That tastes like better.
Okay, wow, we are content
I
recipe
told you we're
creators.
wizards. Do you want to try these?
Yeah, let's try them.
Ooh, they look good.
Ooh, they're very soft.
Here, look at a close up. That looks good,
Oh
right?
my god, this smells really good.
Cheers. Cheers. We do that all the time on the
I know, and I'm like a part of that now. It's very exciting for me.
it's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's so good. Oh my god. It's
Nisha,
like-
we did it!
I know. It was such a dumpster fire. But that's like honestly everything. I've posted a couple videos like this. I'll link them down below, like where I just talk and cook. And it's like a dumpster fire. I don't think anyone realizes like how messy it gets to make everything look so clean and like look like this in the end.
Also, magic.
It's so good.
There has to be an element of magic because we're making a Harry Potter video.
I hope that was good. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you make these recipes, tag us. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Check out our Q&A on Rachel's channel.
Bye!
Bye. I'm glad Rachel came and I was just like, I don't know what we're doing.
And then I was like, I went to the grocery store and I got none of the ingredients that we need, but I bought alcohol.